If you're looking to securely request signatures with encryption, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to use encryption to request digital signatures safely and securely. Stick with me to the end because I'm going to give you a free trial of the software we'll be using, exclusive to my viewers. Let's start with why encryption is so important for requesting signatures. Whether you're dealing with contracts, agreements, or other sensitive documents, using encryption ensures that only the intended recipient can access and sign the document. Without encryption, your signature request could be intercepted or altered, putting your data and the entire transaction at risk. Now, let's dive into how to securely request signatures. First, the software you'll be using must support encryption. Our software, which I'll show you in just a second, does this easily, making sure that the entire process is secure. The main point is that you don't want to rely on just email or basic document sharing platforms. Those aren't designed for security. Instead, you need a platform designed for encrypted document signing. To get started, upload your document to the software you're using. This could be a contract, agreement, or anything that requires a signature. Once uploaded, you'll typically have the option to choose who will sign the document and add their email address. The encryption works by creating a secure encrypted link that only the recipient can access. After you've added the recipient's details, you'll send the document for signature. At this stage, the document is encrypted, meaning that even if someone intercepts it, they can't read or alter it. The software will notify the recipient with a secure email that contains the encrypted link, ensuring that only the person you've specified can access and sign the document. Once the recipient clicks on the link, they're prompted to authenticate themselves. The encryption continues here by ensuring that the person requesting the signature as well as the person signing it are securely identified. This might include multi-factor authentication, which adds another layer of security. After the document is signed, both you and the recipient receive an encrypted, signed version of the document. This ensures that both parties have a verifiable record that the signature was requested and signed securely without tampering. Now, if you're wondering about software options for this, I've tried many of the most popular ones, and I've found that this particular software offers the easiest and most secure solution for encryption-based signature requests. Plus, you can follow along with the tutorial by using a free trial exclusive to my channel. Just check the link in the description below to get started. To recap, first, use software designed for encrypted signature requests. Upload your document, add the recipient's email, and send the encrypted link. The recipient authenticates and signs the document, and both parties receive an encrypted signed copy. This is how you securely request signatures with encryption. The key takeaway here is that encryption is crucial when requesting signatures. By using a secure platform designed for this, you're ensuring that your documents remain safe and tamper-proof. And don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below and follow along. Thanks for watching.